Hello and welcome friends to my channel Digital Illustration, which is all about digital painting tutorials and new stuffs. Today I'm gonna paint this nice landscape in a very easy follow to tutorials. So here I am in the Photoshop with the color palette and the color codes of that particular color, so you can easily copy them and use while following with me in this tutorial. And first of all, just make a new layer. Make a rectangular selection over here and fill it up using the color fill bucket tool. You can choose any of the colors and fill it up. Make sure your selection area is active. And now I'm in the same layer and painting with different rest of the colors using soft round brush, quite bigger in size. Just switch to another color by eyedropper tool and paint it. We'll choose another color, the intermediate one from here like this, and just paint. If you think that the original color gone away, you can just simply repaint it. Or you can add more color from the color panel as I'm doing here. Rest is looking nice. Make another layer. And for this particular landscape, I'm having a girl silhouette. You can just get it from the Google images and just make it smaller in size. This is a small trick to make it perfect and ready to use. Make another layer above it and using that same black color, and this time hard round pressure size brush, I'm gonna paint the grass over there. So make sure your rectangular area selection is still active and just paint it. You can just do random scribbles or even use the color fill bucket tool to fill up that particular area, or with the brush tool. You can say this is not like looking like a grass or thing, so don't worry. Now it's time to just make little grass over there by different small strokes from bottom to top in a very free way. Make sure your pressure is not too on the tablet. And yes, I'm doing this by using my Wacom Pen Tablet, which is very easy for any beginner to use. And I'm in Photoshop 2020, CC 2020 right now. And if you want this tablet to purchase this one, you can just go ahead and purchase it from the link in the description below, or you can continue with your own if you have one. So now it's time to make some butterflies in the sky and just paint it over here. Fill it up using color fill bucket. Similarly, I'm gonna make few more in the sky. You can change the shape, just be organic. Now let's switch the color to white and the same hard round pressure size brush. I'm gonna make twinkle twinkle little stars on the sky very far, just tiny dots. These are more than perfect to go. Once you're happy, we are done with this. And with this, I will take a leave for today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't till yet. And also there are many more such interesting tutorials for you, so make sure you watch them.